I don't know if paint gets old, but I think if it gets old, that's what it looks like. A little goop in your eye. Ooh. Hey, this summer I became an art girl. You know, there I was hitting up galleries. I was like wearing my little scarves. No, I wasn't wearing scarves, but like I was hitting up those museums. I was hitting up the galleries. I went to the Munch Museum in Oslo. I went to like 3 different Picasso museums. I saw so much art this summer. When I bought this house, I was really thinking, you know, maybe I was ready to like start collecting art. I don't know, I saw myself with art. I saw myself like being very sophisticated and just like picking the right pieces for this house. I went out into the world and started looking at art for sale. And very quickly, I mean, if you have bought fine art before, like this is probably gonna sound so stupid to you, but like very quickly I realized most fine art is being sold for thousands of dollars. I'm not even gonna say most, I'm gonna say all. You cannot find a big canvas, I don't care what is on it, someone could literally shit on a canvas. And it would for some reason start at a minimum $1,000. I have found some beautiful pieces while hunting for art for this house. But all of this art was around $7,000. And you know, for a girl like me who was raised on DIYs and saving money when you, like, you know, at least putting in the effort, it's really hard for me to hand over my card for a $7,000 work of art. In the future, when I'm older, when I'm more sophisticated, when I've seen more of the world, I will buy art that expensive. But for now, I figured, why not try to DIY some fine art? I don't want to offend any artists out there. I will never claim to take myself seriously as a fine artist. I will never claim to be able to do even 1/10 of what fine art artists can do. But there is a little painter inside me, and I will never be a fine artist, but I sure as hell can try. I can try. So long story short, I called up a canvas company. I asked them how much it would be to make a giant canvas because I'm used to going to Michael's craft store and like buying the biggest canvas they have, which is pretty damn big. I wanted something that was like, fuck you, fine art, insane, Pablo Picasso big. To my surprise, I got a quote for a massive canvas for less than $300. And it's right behind me. It's this baby right here. I'm paying for a lot in this house, and if I can save some money doing my own art, it could be pretty cool. So hopefully we can do this. I don't know what's gonna happen, but also look at this ottoman that I bought. This is the cutest ottoman I've ever seen. This is the canvas to give you a bit of sizing. I have so much paint just from like literally years of DIYs in these 2 buckets. And I need a reason to use them because, you know, it's just been in that box since like high school you versus child you, Ava. Needs to be used. When I tell you I have so much paint, you would confuse me for actually being like a legitimate artist. Sometimes I swear I feel like I'm in the Hunger Games with all of these like fighter jets flying by. I don't know. Palm Springs is patriotic. I swear a president was in Palm Springs or is in Palm Springs like a couple days ago because over my house, a bunch of like huge private jets flew over and like not little tiny like Tana Mojo Goes to Vegas private jets. I'm talking like presidential jets, like unmarked, no brand, no nothing, and like a commercial airline size. Oh my God, this looks so old. Glow in the dark paint. Okay, we're not gonna use that. Also, look at my little canvas. Or wait, look at my little, what is this called? Mixing tray? Mixing palette. You know she's serious if her mixing palette looks this good. Or rather I say looks this crazy. We've been painting, don't worry about it. Guys, forgot about these. This was like a couple months ago, and this was Olaf's painting, and this was mine. So, okay, well, this one, that's not gonna work. I feel like I'm an expert color mixer. I'm gonna need a lot of this paint. Rolling. I hope this isn't old. I don't know what to expect. Ugh. Ooh. I don't know if paint gets old, but I think if it gets old, that's what it looks like. Oh, This is so soothing. Here we go. What you know about rolling down in the deep? I need more paint. A good start. I'm mixing phthalo blue with basic white. The classic Bob Ross mixture. Phthalo blue. Painting is freaking tiring, man! I think I have just created the best color yet. Okay, ready for this, guys? I'm gonna paint it right here. Hopefully you can see this, okay? Why I thought that this was gonna go faster. That's a nice color. That's a real nice color. Okay, so basically my roller didn't work for the paint roller. So I got creative and I just poured like 2 colors down, dipped it in, and then started like smearing it. And it's doing this super sick thing on the bottom. Like, do you guys see that? I'm gonna keep with this routine, but I'm gonna add some blue. Got some blue going on. I think this is gonna be really cool. All right, time to step back and view my work. I'm thinking of painting like a naked body, but like classy and abstract. Fuck it, fuck it, fuck it, fuck it. Oh, that did not work how I wanted it to. She's not gonna be a very curvy girl, is she? I think I made a mistake. I think she could have been a little curvier. Reassess the plan. Okay, her hip should be about here. Oh, I see it. Okay, girl. Okay, I see you. That is a tiny boob. I'm so sorry. Okay, her next boob's gonna be exaggerated. Oh, okay, sexy mama. Should we add nipples, or is that a little too like, kill it? That's cute. Okay, I hope you guys get what I'm trying to paint, but she's gonna be on a really cute little floaty. I think that's the perfect vibe for Palm Springs, because it's like, get naked in the pool, have fun, be free, be wild. Okay, the floaty's a little bit small. Should I make it a polka dot floaty, or would that trigger trypophobia? I hope you guys get that this is a floaty. It's getting late, the sun is setting. I am going to put on some music because the whole time I've been painting this, it's been dead silent. And I just wanna like give myself a vibe, see what else channels out of me. That makes total sense. What was
Amelie's trying to get in, but she's terrified for like photos and frames and boxes, and yeah, the list is long, but she was trying to get in the room and she's like, please, you know, but I shut the door right in her face.
It's for her own good.
It's for her own good.
Yeah. Good morning. It's probably been 3 weeks since I have made this art piece, and it's not done because if there's anything about me, I'm gonna procrastinate. I'm just not gonna finish things when I need to. You know, I was really excited to put it up on my wall, kind of just, who's texting me? CB2. Okay, anyway, I was just really excited to like get it up on my wall, kind of like see my labor of love. I've been keeping it up on my wall for 3 weeks, mainly because I couldn't take it down by myself. I get to finally spray it with varnish. Okay, if you're an artist and you're watching this, I need your help because this whole varnish thing is really confusing. Okay, so if you're like me and you're not an artist, but you like to paint, and you're always wondering why your paintings are very dull and they're just like not looking like the art that you see in like museums, or I don't know, just like it's not looking professional, it's like looking like an arts and crafts project. When I was making this art piece, I really was like, I want this to be legit. I don't want this to look like a DIY project. Like, I want this to look good, you know? I'm spending a lot of money on the canvas. I want it to like look good. Watching a bunch of videos on how to like finish your art piece. This is a judgment-free zone. I I didn't know you were supposed to varnish your paintings. No one taught me that. I didn't go to art school. I didn't know that. So anyway, I went to Michael's and I found this general purpose high gloss varnish. It's a spray and I feel like this is gonna do the job and make it not as complicated for me. So basically this just protects from dust and moisture and makes your painting look finished and shiny and glossy. It's gonna be fine, okay? So let's just spray this. I'm spraying it inside my bedroom, which isn't the smartest idea, but I don't have any other place to really, I just don't want it. I'm too lazy to set up like an outside station. So yeah, let's do it. I don't really know what to expect here. Shit, that's shiny. That's really shiny and it smells. I don't know if I want it that shiny. I don't know what to do. Maybe if I start farther back. Okay. Yo, this stuff smells. Oh, that smells so bad. I'm gonna open this window more.
Best is to like not mark, like do everything at once.
Okay.
So like do.
Let's do this one first.
Yeah, this one.
Yes.
The
Yes.
skinny?
No, the big one.
Oh.
There's two.
Might be a little.
Looks good to me.
So far.
Looks good to me. She's like, what in the hell is going on in here? I mean, that looks good.
Yep.
Next one. Woo! This is easy peasy lemon squeezy. Yeah, that seems perfect. Oh my gosh! I'm hitting everything.
Yeah.
Oh! Did it again.
Great. Good job. But it's perfect down there.
No, there's some space.
Uh.
Are you okay? Do you think this video is gonna offend any fine artists?
No, I think you're good.
Really? See, this Olaf right here is a fine artist himself. And so, how do you feel about me cosplaying as a fine artist for the sake of saving money?
I think that's exactly how we should do it. I'm proud of you for doing it. I actually looked at it when we were like taking it down and I was like, fuck, like just the fact that you actually like went and did that. Mm-hmm. Like, I talk about it so often that it's like, I'm just like blank canvas is terrifying, you know? Just
mm-hmm.
like to start. Mm-hmm. So yeah, that you actually like finished a big piece like this is hard.
But there's also like hairs from the brush, but you know what? That's an artistic decision.
Oh yeah. I looked at those hairs and I was like, God damn, she hit it with the hairs.
Just because I had a cheap ass brush. I like how the first piece of art that I ever decided to do properly and professionally is like the largest canvas I could possibly find. Like, you think I would start with like a tiny, like little square to learn like all the ins and outs of like professionally framing an art piece and varnishing it. No, the biggest piece in the house.
Do the hardest shit you can do first, and then everything is easy.
Mm-hmm. That's true. That's good advice. I will wait for you. I will wait for you.
We'll get demonetized.
What do people sign their art with? No, like what, like with what? A pen, a pencil? Signing my very first art.
Yeah.
way longer than I thought it was going to
I like everything.
I know, I'm learning it.
Camera's still on, right?
You like it, Honolulu?
Yes.
Yay! You don't even notice it's gone, huh?
Yeah.
You don't even notice it's there.
You don't even notice the photo.
Good girl.
Oh. Yes.
Alright, just you on the bed.
We are just a picture perfect family with a golden retriever. Don't mind us.
Hey you guys! The art piece is done. It looks stunning. This art piece just brings so much joy to this room. The color is so bold in a room that's otherwise very neutral. Let me know what you guys think. How did I do on this fine art piece, my very first fine art piece, in the comments down below. And I love you guys so much. See you next week. Bye!